What do you want? You just said I was free to go. Now you feel like me again. Are you harassing me? Am I free to go? I'm not listening to conversation. Am I free to go?
No, you're not.
Pardon?
No.
I'm not.
No.
You just said I was free to go. He just said I was free to go.
Well, he's now saying you're not.
So I'm not, so you're detaining me. Under what act and what section of that act? Come and tell me now. Come and jump out of your car, real.
If you turn the engine off.
Never mind turn the engine off. Come and stand in front of the car and tell me what you want to tell me. Come on. Muppets. You're going on YouTube, lad.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Right, what do you want?
Your behaviour, mate,
What
is
do
unacceptable.
you want? What crime are you investigating?
At the moment, you're driving. Your manner of
so
driving.
what do you want? You stopping under the road traffic act?
Yeah.
Right, what do you want then?
Mate.
You want me details, PNC the reg?
Can I do us a favour?
Nah,
Just
I'm
switch
not
it off.
turning the engine off. Go stand in front of the car, mate. Go stand in front of the car. Muppet, mate.
Wind the window down.
What do you want?
I need to get your details, don't
Right, my details. You know my details.
You've got
PNC,
a
the car's
red light
registered
out
to
as
me.
well.
What?
I said you've got a light out as well.
So what? You got a board head, mate. I'm not interested in my lights. Why ain't your body cam on?
Pardon?
Why ain't your camera on?
Which camera?
Why ain't your body camera on?
It is on.
It is on?
Yeah.
Why ain't it on?
It's on.
Alright, carry on with yourselves.
Right, what's your name?
Daniel Campbell. What's your name? And why can't I see your epaulette numbers? Aftab Hussein. This is my ID.
Daniel. Right.
Yeah. And what's your name? You identify yourself.
My colour number's right there. You can
Why
What's your date of birth? What's your date of birth,
I don't
Daniel?
have to tell you that, do I?
What's your date of birth?
Why do I have to tell you that?
Because I need to check it out to make sure you've got a licence.
PNC the car.
What's your date of birth, Daniel?
You know that.
I don't know it.
Well, I'll tell you what. PNC the car and all my details will come back to you.
I don't know it.
There you go. PNC the car, mate. Come on, have you stage 60?
date of birth?
Have you told comms you even stood here?
What's your date
Have
of
you
birth?
told comms you stood
What's
here,
your
mate?
date of birth? Smash it. Home address?
What?
Home address?
What do you mean home
What is
address?
your
Which
home
home? Got loads of homes. Which
Right.
one do you want?
Where do you live?
I live here. I'm here alive now.
What's your home address?
What do you mean? I've got 5 different homes. Which
Okay.
one do you want? Do you want the one the vehicle's registered to?
Tell me where you live. And
I
where
live on planet Earth, mate. Where do you live?
Where do you live, sorry?
On planet Earth.
Right. How
Yeah.
about the street? What street name
What
is that?
street? I've just told you, mate. I've got 5 different houses. Which
Okay.
address do you want?
Where you registered? Where
What do you mean?
live
Where
and
what's
sleep?
registered? Where I sleep? I sleep at each different address depending on how I
Okay,
feel.
Give me all 5.
No. Ha! How about
me-
that? I'm not giving you all 5.
Give me 1.
1. Okay, I'll give you the one where the car's.
Smash it. Where's that at?
Where's that at?
Which town's that in?
Find it on Google, mate. Do your own research. The postcode's M4 1ED. Ain't you Joey, mate?
M41ED.
There you go.
Yeah. You're in Manchester, is it?
Well, would you guess that by the postcode, wouldn't you? You're not much of a copper, you, are you? You're not going to detect many crimes if you don't know an M4 postcode.
Yeah,
Not in Manchester, are you?
Do you have any
muppet?
driving documents with you?
No, I don't. Because the police stole him. Sergeant Cabell. And I'm going to go to his house. How about that? And get my wallet back.
Right, okay.
Yeah, now what do you want?
I'm just going to run you.
Right,
check
do
out.
it then in a bit. Get off. Bad muppets, mate. Who do you think you are? Really? The public are onto you, mate. It's a charade. You've got no power. I'm the power out here.
You've approached
I'm
us.
the power out here. I'll
You've
show you.
approached us,
I'll
mate.
show you who the power is out
All right,
here.
you've approached
Carry
us,
on.
haven't you?
Carry on.
You've approached
Just
us.
watch. What?
Right, just give me.
Are you done now? Have you finished?
Right.
Don't eye me.
do that.
I will do that. What are you
No.
going to do about it?
Well, for
What are
starters,
you going to
you're
do
gonna
about
commit
it?
offences.
Move yourself.
You're
What
committing
offence?
offences.
What offence? What offence did I commit? What offence? What offence?
Turn the car off.
No.
Right, turn the car off.
No.
Then stop driving off.
Don't tell me what to do. I do what I want, not what you say, you
Right.
muppet.
You're the Muppet.
You're a muppet,
You're a
mate.
muppet.
Yeah, well, I'm going IOPC because you are not maintaining professional
You
standards
can call-
by calling me a
Number's
muppet.
there.
Good.
Number's there.
Good, you muppet. Get an
All right.
haircut. Look at the state of you.
Look at
You're
the
going
state.
on YouTube. You've not had a shave. You're bringing the force into disrepute
Oh, that's
with
great.
your
That's
look
great.
how
Look
look
at your
the
language.
state of you,
Look
mate.
at your language.
Look at the state of you. What language? English?
Look at the language you're using.
What
with me.
language?
Look
You
at the language.
muppet. You
Thank
dirty little
Thank
mudfish.
you.
Look at you. What's that on your hand there? You
Thank
little
you.
fish. Writing on your own hand like you can't get paper.
What is
you
your
muppet?
issue
Get away
today?
from me,
What is
mate.
your issue today?
Go away. You smell, mate.
What is your
you
issue
smell.
today?
Go away. I don't like the smell of bacon. You should know better, mate.
Oh, cheers.
Get away from me. Go on.
No, I'm not going to
You're
get
going
away.
on YouTube, mate. Everyone who knows you's gonna laugh at you and like you got
Good.
rinse, you little muppet.
Good.
Good. Got anything else to say?
Well, I'm standing
Turn the
here.
engine off. Should I
Well,
rev
I'm
it?
talking.
Should I rev it? Do you like that? Do you like that? Do you like me revving it?
Turn the
Eh?
engine off.
No.
Turn the engine off.
No,
it's
I
a
will
simple
not.
request.
Yeah, well, I'm saying no. It's a simple answer, innit? How'd you like that?
Why are you aggravating the situation?
Why are you telling me to do things you got no right to tell me to do?
Well, my colleagues are...
Why are you?
Don't shout
I
at me.
will shout at
Don't
you.
shout
I
at me.
will shout at you.
Don't shout at
I will shout at you.
Why are you
What are you gonna do about it? I
aggravating.
thought you told me don't shout at you.
Yeah.
I will shout at you.
Why?
What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about
Are you
it?
not well?
Nothing.
Are you not well?
Finny, yeah, Coms has told him, look at him, little tap on the shoulder. Coms has said, settle down, because I'll put you on the news, you little muppet.
Oh, yeah.
Am I free to go now? No. Am I being detained?
Well, at the
For
moment,
what
yeah.
purpose?
Right, Daniel.
Yeah. Go on. Spit it. Come on, what's he got to say?
Just wait there for a second.
Your glasses are steamed up, you're under pressure, bled.
No, I'm
You
wearing a
are
mask.
under pressure,
I'm wearing a
mate.
mask.
Sort
You should be
yourselves
wearing a
out.
mask as well.
The public are on to you, mate.
Oh, that's
We're
great.
standing up to you, mate.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
The public
The
don't go around
99%,
driving like
that's
this.
me. Driving like what? The car
Driving like
station,
this.
you muppet. Shut up. Driving like what?
The way you've
Have you got
driving-
evidence of how I was driving?
Yeah, it's on my body
Show
cam.
it me then.
You can ask for it
Prosecute
later.
me then.
My column is there. you can ask
Prosecute
for
me
it.
then. Am I free to go?
No, you're not.
Why not?
Because I'm still dealing with you.
We're dealing with what?
Oi.
Still dealing with
Don't
you.
eye me, you muppet. You call me sir. Address me as sir until you know my name.
Daniel,
What?
Daniel, I'm still dealing with you.
Yeah? Go
Yeah.
on.
So at the moment.
What are you dealing with? How long does it take you to check that I've got insurance and that? You muppets. I'm going IOPC.
Good.
Because you're detaining me without purpose,
you
mate.
can do.
You're already not. I'm going to get the transcript of the radio
Absolutely,
traffic
yeah.
and I'll find out the time now and I'll know that it was free to go and you're just delaying me unnecessarily.
That's your right. You can go to the
You
IOPC.
little muppet. Look at you. I didn't get a proper job. What
This
other
is a
jobs
proper
have you
job.
had, in fact? What job did you do before this?
I don't need to tell you that.
Because you were a muppet, weren't you? Tell me what you was doing.
Why do I need
Come
to tell you
on,
that?
tell me what you did before this.
What do you do for a
You're
living?
ashamed, mate.
What do you do for
I
a
don't
living?
beg for money, mate.
I don't beg for money.
Well, yes, you
either.
do. You're begging the state. Look at you. You're on
Okay.
benefits.
All right,
You
am
call
I?
it a wage. You're getting paid just the same people
right.
on benefits, aren't you?
All right.
You little scrounger. Get a proper job, man.
Okay.
This is what happens when your kind, yeah,
What
what
do you
are
mean, your
abused
kind?
or authority, your kind pigs. That's what I mean. Dirty little swizzer.
What's happened for
The
you to
wretch,
behave like this?
mate. You're gonna find out what happens,
Well, you
mate.
need to talk to
I'm
me
gonna
instead
get
of
him on the
shouting.
knees. Come on, I'm free to go now. So what are you waiting for?
Just waiting for something to come back to make sure everything's
Something to come back. What to come back? Because I'm gonna get the radio traffic and I'm going IOPC.
You can do.
Aftab
You
Hussein.
can
What's
do.
your name?
You can have my collar number.
Why don't I want your name? Where's your ID? Why haven't you got your
I don't
lanyard
have
out?
to
Get
give
your
you my
lanyard
ID.
out.
I don't have to give you my name.
Why not?
You've
Well,
got
why
my
it's
collar
not? You
number.
want, should have it on display like him.
No, I'm not searching.
Am I
you.
free to go now?
No.
And stop taking your mask down. I don't want to catch anything off you, man.
Pardon?
You heard what I said. If you didn't, you shouldn't be a copper, should you? You should be remembering everything I say in case it needs to be presented in court.
What's represented in court?
Anything I say. Fish.
Why are you doing that?
Why? It's my car. I can rev the engine whenever I want, me. It's like that. I can put it in first and go like that if I want, can't I?
Is there any reason why you're revving?
Listen, mate, am I free to go?
No, you're not.
Okay, why am I being detained?
Because I need to make sure that all your documents are in order.
And have you not done that yet?
We're waiting on the computer.
You waiting on the
No, I've not
PNC?
done it, because if I'd done it, I would have told you, Daniel. Yeah?
Hurry up, mate.
Yeah, I will do.
Hurry up.
Don't call me mate.
I'll call you whatever I want, you little pig. I'll call you a little pork-eating, scranning, dirty little rozzer, mate. The filth. You got loads of names for you, haven't you? Because the public hate yous. We're the 99%, you're the 1%, and it's over.
Right.
The charade's over, mate.
Is there any
Hunting
reason-
season.
Is there any reason why you're revving the car like that?
Yeah, because I want to. Do you like it? Eh? Sounds nice, doesn't it? What car have you got? Eh? What do you keep taking your mask down for? Fish. I'm on a destruction. Yeah, 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 yeah. Harry Claus, no fun. Hey, them turn a blind eye. Yeah, 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 yeah. Drugs and them. Yeah, yeah. Little wretches. The scum in the air.
Daniel.
Free to go now?
Right.
Am I free to go? Why not?
Because I'm still dealing with
I'm
you.
not interested in what you're dealing with, you
Daniel,
fool. What
right.
do you want?
The manner of your driving.
Yeah.
Revving the exhaust like revving
Yeah.
just like that. It's not acceptable.
Is it?
Right. Subsequently, your car and you have been given a section 59 police.
Whatever,
warning.
mate. Can I go now?
Okay.
I'm free to go. Bye.
You couldn't-
See ya.
All right.